Nike continues its strong Chinese Zodiac storytelling with the newly revealed Nike Kobe 80 EXT Protro Year of the Horse, a premium take on one of Kobe Bryant's most beloved silhouettes. While the Year of the Snake naturally aligns with Kobe's Black Mamba legacy, this release shows that the celebration goes beyond one symbol. Official images confirm major material upgrades, led by a striking jet black pony hair upper that replaces the usual mesh construction. This elevated finish explains the EXT designation, a label once used by Nike to rework performance shoes into more lifestyle-driven designs during the 2010s. Metallic gold accents appear across the branding, adding a ceremonial feel, while a horseshoe-inspired lace accessory reinforces the equestrian theme. Subtle nods to Kobe's Mamba identity remain, including red snakeskin insoles and bold fiery packaging. The Nike Kobe 80 EXT Protro Year of the Horse is expected to release in spring 2026, delivering a premium blend of heritage, storytelling, and collector appeal.